Okay, so when you start this drawing, I may found, where's my drawing? I have to turn on this, and then checking this one, and then going back to my drawings, and then I get a reference one line, I need to go back again. It is most difficult. Of course, if you got two screens, you can put the picture on the other screen. I just right-hand click and copy image. And then I go to my AutoCAD and press Control V, which is paste in here. You see that? It pastes in here. I don't know the size, about the size. Let's try 2215. If I reduce the size and I start to draw a line, 2215, to see how big they are, 2215. And then enter. Oh, that's quite big. And my picture is very small. I cannot achieve that. So what I'm doing is I'm going to enlarge this. I can make it bigger. And then I don't want to interrupting, so I go to move. So what I'm doing is already I select this and go to move. And then I click on there and move to here. So I'm happy with these results. For starting this one there, you can click on the rectangle, and then I need to work out the length is 175. And this one is 64.99. Because the tolerance, so you got two numbers in here, the tolerance. Rectangle there, say 175, and then tab 64.99. Okay, now I'm drawing the second one. I feel it's difficult because I don't have a middle line. I don't get a reference 2215. I just get a little bit bigger. I come in here to get a reference. I get a reference, move to this side. I started, and then I go all the way there. I put 300, enter. Now I got the reference point. And then I start to work out. That is 560. This section here is 99. I still feel hard to make a drawing because that started here. How far from there to here? It is very difficult for me to work out. Few ways to do it. You can use different rectangles drawings. So you can start from the middle. I can start from the middle and then enlarge. You see that? I got 560 and then tab and then 99. All right, so that's the one. Going a little bit closer, you got chamfer here. So later on, we're going to work out this chamfer. The next section is 560 again, but it's bigger, 99.988. I'm using the same function again. So middle point, go in there, I select the middle, and then I got 560, tab, 99.988, enter. And then the next section, 560 again, and this one's 99. It's actually the same as this side. Select it, copy, reference point, because I need to reference to here. So I use this point, and then I jump to this point there, and enter. And the last point here, because 360 by 94,990. It's not the same as the other side. So we have to redraw it again. I come to here and the middle point. 360, tab, and 64.99. Making chamfer in here. If I go here, I say I want to chamfer from this point there. Let's do 25. Okay, escape, chamfer. We need to select the distance. 25 and 25. First one, second one. So that's the 25. If I don't want to insert the dimension, they won't be here. This one and this one, see that? You don't have any dimension in there. You don't need to. So the first chamfer is in there, but you need to have another line to join them together. Right, enter. So that's the first part you finish. Now we need to work out the slots. The slots from the edge from here to there is 215, and same as the other side, 215. How deep they want, maximum is 18. So I'm going to work out 18 mil deep, 215 in there. If I go to this line, I got 18 mil, enter. And then I come to here, just click on there, and 215, enter. And I'm going to jump back to this line. Remember, you're going to get the reference from here or the other side, and then join them together. See that? This one there is like a round one. It's a round. And then if I check in here, 7.2. 7.2 filler size. Filler. And I say 7.2 configure. So I add a new one in, say 7.2. Just say 7. 7. This one there and this one there. And don't forget, you see this one, this slot is a hidden line. So I need to change your property. This morning I show everyone change your property. All you need to do is from the right to left, I click on there. So they select this, right hand click, go to property. And then which type of the line you need to do it. So I can select the hidden line. See that? There's a hidden line there. If it's too small, I can't see it. Remember, go to the line type, scale. I click on there, I put 10, enter. Oh, a little bit better, but still too small. I put 30 and say put 30. Oh, I'm happy with this, escape. Let's do the other side. This one is exactly the same, 215. So I don't need to do this. All I need to do is get a mirror. Mirror. I need to select all these and then enter. And then they say, where do you want a mirror? Where's the middle point? That's my middle point. If I'm pulling down from the middle point, they automatically to go to right side. If I'm pulling on this side, they come in this side, just going to here. And then they say, do you want to remove this? Of course, no. I want to keep both. So this one done. All right, so this one done. Unfortunately, the other one, we take a long time to set it up. And this one, I want to set up as well. Doing the simple way, I can delete it. I select the whole thing. And then I use the mirror function. And then go to this one. And then I go to up or down and finish. So how easy to do this one there. And there's another slots in here, 118 and 18. So let's get a line. Get down first, 18. And then go this way, 185. And then I go up to jump back to here. Again, I get the reference from here, or I just go directly, overshoot, and then I get the trim this out. And that's all. What I'm doing now, this morning, I show you magic property. All I need to do is come to here, select this one. I want to select this one, the property, to apply for the new drawing in here. Select this one, go to magic property, and then I go to here, and then go to here, and then escape. And one thing I need to do is filler. Remember, I used the 7 for the other one, and this one also 7. Haven't changed. All you need to do is select this corner and this corner. 1, escape, and that's all. So that's the drawing you need to do.